all about the Hiligaynon word kumusta. Sometimes we also say kamusta and musta. So the Hiligaynon word kumusta is a greeting similar to hello or how are you in English. It's derived from the Spanish word como está, meaning how is it, how is he, how is she, or how are you, which is a formal greeting. While it primarily functions as a greeting, it carries a nuance of inquiring about someone's well-being. Here are the different meanings of kumusta in bullet form. Kumusta means hello, so this is the most common meaning of kumusta, and it is used as a general greeting when meeting someone. It also means how are you, and this is another common meaning of kumusta and is used to inquire about someone's well-being. And the third one is, it can also mean how is someone or how is something. So this meaning is used to talk about the condition or status of someone or something. Let us have the following example sentences. Kumusta ka? That means how are you? Kumusta ka? Kumusta ang pamilya mo? How is your family? Kumusta ang pamilya mo? Kumusta ang trabaho mo? How is your work? Kumusta ang trabaho mo? You can also say obra instead of trabaho. So you can say, kumusta ang obra mo? How's your work? And then the next one is, kumusta ang adlaw mo? That means, how's your day? Adlaw is day. So, kumusta ang adlaw mo? And then the next one, kumusta ka na? That means, how are you or how are you doing? Kumusta ka na? Kumusta sila? So that means how are they? Kumusta sila? Kumusta ang mga bata? That means how are the children? A bata is a child. Mga is like the plural marker. So kumusta ang mga bata? Kumusta ang imo nga balay? That means how is your house? Balay is house. So kumusta ang imo nga balay or ang imo balay? Kumusta ang imo nga mga alaga? Or you can also say kumusta ang imo alaga or mga alaga. So alaga is like a pet. So how are your pets? How are they doing? Kumusta ang imo nga mga alaga? Kumusta ang panahon didto? That means how is the weather there? So panahon is weather and then didto is there. And dira can also be used. And then to say here, that means diri. Kumusta ang panahon diri? How's the weather here? Kumusta ang panahon dira? How's the weather there? Kumusta Maria? That means hello Maria or how are you Maria? Kumusta Maria? Kumusta Pedro? That means how are you Pedro? Kumusta Pedro or kamusta Pedro? You can also use kamusta. You just have to choose among the three, but the most formal one is kumusta. The next one you can say kumusta sa imo. That means hello to you or hi to you. Kumusta lang da sa imo or kumusta simo. That's like the contraction. Kumusta sa inyo? That means hello to all of you or regards to all of you. Kumusta sa inyo or kumusta sinyo? Sinyo is like the contraction. Kumusta ka man? How about you or how have you been doing? Kumusta ka man or kumusta man? You can also say that. Kumusta na lang? That means just hello. Kumusta na lang? Kumusta lang dira sa imo? That means I'm just saying hello to you or I'm just saying hi to you. Kumusta lang dira sa imo? Kumusta ka gid bala? Like how are you really? Gid is like an intensifier. So really, so like kumusta ka gid bala? How are you really right now? Maybe in a way. Kumusta abyan ko? That means hello my friend or how are you? My friend or how have you been doing my friend? And abyan is a friend. Kumusta mga kasimanwa? So a kasimanwa is like a fellow man. So hello fellow countrymen or hello fellow men. How have you been doing? So kumusta mga kasimanwa?